Hi, my name's Kim. I'm the owner of Skippasmate Boat Retrieval Aid. Everyone knows how dangerous a boat ramp can be, and every boat ramp is different. I want to show you a safer way to hook up your boat. My boat retrieval aid is designed to take the common boat hooks. This is a safer way to hook up your boat without the dangers of tripping over your trailer. With my boat retrieval aid, at some boat ramps it may be safer to hook your boat from the jetty to save the danger of slipping on the boat ramp, and I'll just give you that example. Every boat ramp has its dangers. My boat retrieval aid will make the job of getting your boat on the trailer a much safer one. So stay safe and happy boating.